Today we're going to be talking about how to make your website with Big Cartel. We use Big Cartel. This isn't like sponsored or anything. We just saw through some other places that this was a good website host to use. I'm going to be showing you how to make a basic website. I'm going to just talk about what I've done from my experience. This isn't going to have any coding in it or anything super complicated, so if you want to do something really specific, that's not this video. So first is buying your website. There are different places you can get your website from. We got our website cadencerosecode.com from GoDaddy. So you can look up the website you want. I'm gonna put in something I'm just thinking of, Hometown Lavender. I'm gonna put that in this domain search. And we have an exact match. So we've got hometownlavender.com. Now there are other options. So for example, when we were looking up domains for our business, Cadence Rose was already taken, but you could have gotten cadencerose.net or cadencerose.co, but we wanted cadencerosesomething.com because .com is the most used domain extension, and that can have a big thing of people remembering your website so that people can go search for it. So of course get whatever you want, but what we did, instead of settling for a .net or something like that, we just put co at the end of the name so we could get the .com. And also it depends on the name and the pricing. Some domains can be pretty crazy expensive. So once you say I want this domain, then you go to your cart and it's going to have some options of how many years you want this domain. So it goes from 1 year, 2 years, 3 years, 5 years, or 10 years. And it'll show you the prices for that. That is what you're going to do to get your domain. So once you've bought your domain, then you can move on to setting up your actual website. So you're going to go to Big Cartel and you're going to choose a plan. They have multiple plans. There's a free version. You get 5 product listings, 1 image per product. You do get variant groups, support products from Etsy and stuff, so that could be fine. But for some, like our products, we have quite a few products, and we do like to have the option of adding multiple pictures in case we have different colors and things like that. And there's the platinum. This is $15 a month, 50 product listings, 5 images per product, and then everything else. And then $30 a month, 500 product listings, 25 images per product. You gotta have a lot of stuff to sell if you need more than 50. Oh, and also if you get the free version, you can't use a custom domain, which no, I don't want that. Select your plan, create an account, see what you need. Once you've done that, you're gonna go to your account. This is just the account, and I'm gonna go through down the list of what these things mean, and then we'll get into designing your shop. The shop description, like when you look up Cadence Rose, it's gonna show the home and what you can click on, but it'll start showing the description of, at Cadence Rose, we strive to make all natural skincare products. You know, that is something so that to try to entice people to click on your website. And then your shop URL, and then your custom domain. So this is where you would enter your custom domain. So because otherwise if you didn't do that, it would be, you'd put in your name of your account or whatever, and it would be cadencerosecode.bigcartel.com. Having Big Cartel next to your business name isn't always going to work with your branding, and then you're also promoting another company along with you, so it's just not my favorite, and it's long. It's very simple. It'll basically it'll take you to GoDaddy, you sign in, and then you confirm that it's you. The steps are very clear to transfer the domain, and then you have it and it's done. Then when you scroll down, it's the shop design, and up here you have maintenance mode, which I will talk about how you can edit that in the designer. View your shop and share your shop link, but this is the place where you would go to design the pretty stuff about your shop. Then scroll down. This is your personal information, so the name, the email, the password, the phone number, and you can edit this. So the email address for this is going to be when you get an order or payment information, where it's going to email it. Planning and billing, this is where your plan will be, and you can change your plan and manage the billing if you want to change credit card, current location, your country, your address, time zone, and currency. Extend your shop, so this is where you would get integrations for reviews, pirate ship for shipping or any other shipping place. And then active devices, so you can see if somebody has stolen your info, I guess. Now that we've kind of gone through that, those are the things you have to do to set up your website. So we're going to go to the shop designer. So this is what it's going to look like. First, we're going to talk about the right hand side of the screen. You're going to see something called desktop, tablet, or phone. So this is just going to be the different sizes of device. This is important for making sure your pictures are sized correctly so that they don't look warped and weird for different devices. Then you've got select pages. So you've got home, product, products, contact, cart, and maintenance. This is just different things you can view. So at the top, on the left hand side, you're going to have, at the top it's going to say settings, pages, code, and templates. We're not going to worry about code. The first thing you have to do is pick a template, and you can see the different references to kind of show what this is going to look like. So depending on what you like, you can pick different things. And then we're going to go back to settings. Then you've got style. This is customize the fonts and the colors in your shop. So primary font is this is like everything. So at the top I have the use code, this for a percentage off, products, all of the main text, the cart, all of the things will be that font. Then your color palette. This will just be different colors throughout the website. Announcement message text. So at the very top we have use code July 4th for 30% off your next order. The announcement text is black, but the announcement message background is this light green color, which is a part of our logo. So this bar at the top is the announcement message. Link hover color. You see when I hover over the About Us page, the text is actually black. But when I hover over, it's going to be green to let people know this is what you're hovering over. Product status background color is the color if your product is sold out. Like if it says sold out or something like that, it'll pop up a thing at the corner that'll say sold out, and it'll have the background text, the color, and then the text. So this is green, and then the text sold out is white. Button background color. When I hover over a listing, it's gonna show shop now. The button is gonna be this green color with the white text. So right above it, this is the button and status text color. Accent pattern color. The accent pattern, so when you go to the website and you've got the listings are the picture of the soap, a white box, and then the actual background color, and this background color is light green. So that is the accent pattern color, which is the background of the listings. Content background. This white bar that has the products, about us, contact, the logo, and the cart, that's white. And then the actual product listings, you've got, like I said, the white border around the pictures of the soap. That is the content background. So that's the colors. That's just, you know, you can go into Canva or some other site and you can pick specific colors if you want to paste in the color numbers or whatever. After you go out of style, we're going to go to header logo. You see this picture in the middle of the smack dab of the website. This is basically the home button, welcome image. So this is just a picture of something that will be the first thing you see when you get on the website. So this is something I wanted to be pretty nice looking, something kind of all-rounded of our products. And then we have options. So this is all of your text. Maintenance mode message. Let's say you need to take a break and you do not want people to order from your store at all. You can change your maintenance message. Well, we're gonna be out of town for July for July 4th or whatever. We're gonna be gone for Christmas. We'll be back soon, whatever. Welcome header. You see I have this picture uploaded, but then I have the text that says all natural products. So welcome header is all natural products, which is the big text, and then the sub header. the beauty in nature. Then you have show a search field. If you have enough products or whatever that you want people to search, be able to search, you can have that. You can have either featured items or featured categories. I have the products, so when you look on the web, when you first go to home, you're gonna have that picture, and then when you scroll down, you're gonna have the featured products. Then you can have the amount of featured items. So I have 12, so this is not my whole product line, but you know, that is that. Next to settings is pages. These are not the same as your product categories. You make the product categories in the listing once you start making your listing, so I'll show you how to do that then. But these are pages like about us, privacy policy, terms of service, and like different things. We have a wholesale category. That these are just pages that you can fully customize, so you can upload pictures and say stuff in them. Once you've got this is the pretty part of your website. Then you need to start adding products. When you go to your account, you're going to see something called products. Very simple. There's this other 3-dot bar, which is of course settings, different things like that. You can have search, bulk edit, view inventory, view as a list, manage categories, import products. So that is something you can do once you've added some, but you're going to click on this plus sign, which is add a product. You're going to add your pictures, and then you have the product name, the description. The description will just be, I don't know, maybe for us soap, the ingredients, the weight, all that stuff. Categories. This is where you would make your product categories. So I have already made some, but you can make more here with this manage categories thing. You can also make them in the products tab, like I said. So we have salt bars, hair care, different things, so that's what that is. Then you have status. This is whether your product is active, which means people can click on it and buy it. Hidden, so it's in your product list, but it's not public, you know. Sold out, so people can't buy it. And then coming soon, so I'm gonna assume this is like you can look at everything, but you can't buy it. Then you have price, in stock. This is something you can in the settings page for your account. Say if you want your website to keep inventory but not oversell, whatever. And this is also where you can add variants as well as variant groups. Then you go to shipping. When you keep adding, this is adding countries. Let's say you want to ship to different countries, but you want different prices for that shipping. You would have the shipping price alone. So that is, you add one product to the cart, it's going to be this amount of shipping, and then with others. So say it's $5 shipping for a product, and then they add 4 other products, so it would be $9 in total for shipping, so they don't have to pay something super exorbitant because of that. So that is the basic thing about making a website. This is all I did. I didn't do anything special. I didn't code. I didn't jump through hoops. I did the bare minimum, and it works. And I've gotten quite a few compliments on the website, so thank you. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like and subscribe. Go check out our all natural skincare shop, and I just opened a Facebook group if you want to get some exclusive content and things like that, so go check it out. Thank you for watching.